lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our channel. So if you read from our title, we will be unboxing the April 2020 AIA Beauty Influencer subscription box. That was a lot. So AIA stands for American Beauty Influencer. And what this is a bi-monthly subscription. It is $34. I do have a code for you guys. I make nothing out of it. It is just for you guys. It is just Ann15 and it saves you $15 off your first subscription. And what they do is every subscription box, they collab with a different influencer. So this month, I believe, is TANG. I think if I'm saying his name right. So it's very, very heavy. I was like, oh my God. So if you want to see what is in the April 2020 subscription, then keep on watching. All right, I'm going to cut this puppy open because I'm really excited. I want to know, I know he does like a lot of things with hair and everything. Oh, they have it taped up right here as well. All right. So when you open it up, oh yeah, it's all hair stuff. Yay. Okay. It says, be strong, be beautiful, be you. And something in here smells amazing. All right, so TANG, and that's what he looks like right there. And then on the back tells you everything you'll be getting and prices. So I did say this is $34 bi-monthly, and you're guaranteed to get at least $100 worth of value. But look at this. All right, so I'm gonna pull out the first thing I say. All right, so this is my Identity. It says Rose Gold Shimmer Spray. So that's what it looks like. And I don't know if you can see, but it has a lot of shimmer to it. And it looks so cool. Look at that when I shake it. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, what you be? All right, so this retail value is for $28. It says add dimensional rose gold shimmer, detangling and smoothing, and improves manageability and adds shine. All right. So let's spray. Oh my God, that smells delicious. Yes. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God, that smells good. I am so excited for this. All right, so we have that. Then we have another doohickey right here. And this says my hair lube. Anything with lube in it, I like. All right, so this retail value is for $32. And it says this reduces breakage by 98%, controls frizz and flyaways, and improves shine, manageability, and smoothness. All right. So we have that. I love to, go you like those sounds and put it on the ends of my hair. So excited for that. I can't get over how good this smells. Holy cow. So then we have this another thing. This is #MyQuickBlow Spray. So this has to be all his products. All right, so this retails for $28. It says reduces blow dry time, protects against heat, damage, and breakage, and adds shine and reduces frizz. I have to see how this smells. Let's see. Oh my God, this stuff smells so good. I'm not kidding. Like, this stuff smells amazing. And last but not least is what's probably making this box very heavy. It is shampoo and conditioner. And I love when they put shampoo and conditioner, because a lot of times they either give you shampoo or just the conditioner. And it's like, oh, you want them both. So they both retail for $22.50 a piece, guys. So this right here is over $40 right here. And it says it prolongs color tone and vibrancy up to 50 shampoos. I do dye my hair black, so I'm happy for that. It's sulfates, parabens, and sodium chloride free, which is great. And it helps detangle and add shine. All right, so let's smell. Oh my God, this is the conditioner. Oh my God, I don't know what smells better. They all have different scents and smells amazing. The shampoo smells good too, but the conditioner smells even better. So let's recap what we got this month. So we got the shampoo and conditioner, which guys, I am so excited. This was probably my favorite box of all time so far from the AIA. So then we have the quick blow dry here. You spread it on your hair when it's wet. We have the shine right here. And then I am so excited to really try this. This is a rose gold shimmer spray. That just looks so cool. I wonder it's like if when you put it on your like arm. Let's spray and see. Oh my God. Yeah, it's not sticky or anything. Oh my God. It's so pretty. Look at that, guys. Oh, I love it. I definitely think this is definitely worth $34. Like I said, this is a bi-monthly subscription, which is good because if you're somebody like me that gets a whole lot of subscriptions, it's great to get bi-monthly subscriptions. Now, I do get this sent to me for review. The first time I ever got this box, though, I did purchase it on my own, and I really loved it. And then after I uploaded, they did reach out to me and ask me if I wanted to get it every other month, and I was like, absolutely. I really love this subscription, especially for this month. Like I said, I do have that code JustAnn15, which you could save $15 off your first month's box. Like I said, I don't make anything out of it. It's just for you guys, but I really recommend, especially this month. It's amazing. But let me know what you guys think. Do you think it's worth it? Do you not? I think every box is getting better and better. I really do. This is only like maybe their third box, I think, that they put out so far. So it's a brand new subscription, and I think they're doing amazing. And I also love the fact that they are collabing with different influencers. You know, I really think that's amazing. So I will leave the link down below. I'll also leave their Instagram. They also have an Instagram. I will leave that down below if you want to check it out. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, my 40K giveaway. I will leave that down below. If you have not checked out my last video, I will leave that down below if you want to check it out. If you love unboxings and reviews, then I would love for you to subscribe and join our family. We would love to have you. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell that way and have it on all. That way you'll be notified for all of my future videos and my pop-up giveaways. And that's everything. Don't forget to rate the video. So give me a thumbs up if you like unboxings. If you like this box and want to see me to continue unboxing this on our channel, give me a thumbs down if you're not interested in this and you don't want this on our channel. The more thumbs downs that I get, then I know not to keep putting this on our channel because I only want to put out what you guys want to see. And that's everything. I will see you in our next video. Don't forget to let me know how you're doing. All right, bye. Oh my God, this stuff smells amazing.